want to say a while ago, maybe 10 years ago, I met Juny for the very first time. Anto, semper abisa, yo, you gotta rap. Pasobra, we met door kuma bing ulanda ku SSA pa studia. He was one of the leaders kuta mane siya buki kota kiko ora boyega nobo, right? Anto, we were in the barbershop one day. He put on a beat. We was just kicking it home, and he was rapping. At that point, he had already decided, yo, I wanna rap for real. Anto, I am a writer, pero mi nota mane showcase that as an artist. Anto, I just kicked some bars about some personal stuff. I think it might have been some family related content. Anto, eta mane, yo, I was feeling what you're saying right there, mane. Die kong bonota bezig met rapmuziek. Anto, it kind of led me down the path of, okay, maybe I should be taking this more seriously because I do have the time. Anto, tiki madisididi mane. Okay, what do I really need? What does it mean to be an artist? What would I like to talk about in my music? And so forth and so forth.